All my lovelies, so we're back on this, and I want to make this abundantly clear. I'm doing this entirely out of protest, but it says it has a misfire. It has, I don't know if you can, read that or not. Maybe if we spin it around this way. So it has Excel super coils on it. There you go. And apparently one of them is misfiring. And all we have is this Amazon junk. So, will it be the latest and greatest? I mean, it was 34 bucks for a set of 8 coil packs, so I'm thinking probably not, but as long as it clears the code, that's all I care about. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna get the rest of these put in. I already got 2 of them in, 6 more to go. We'll bring you an update here real soon.